Cannot be talking about izigubhu, izithwalo, inyoka, intambo, impondo. Yes, okay, now. Angikhulume lento. This may teach you something, brothers and sisters. But I have to be saying this, but not all your friends, most of your friends are just seasonally friends. Are friends because it's too cold. You give them leave to work. Are seasonal friends. And then abangani bakho, once they have noticed that you are no longer available for them at all the times, they start to persecute you, find a reason to hate you because of you retreating from public eyes. Like you are studying something at UNISA, at WITS, at Oxford, at University of Cape Town. We are studying something now. We cannot be everywhere. And then abangani bakho, once they notice that, but we are jail. But in that we have to understand, some of your friends, they cannot tolerate your height. I repeat. Ukhozi, it is so large. It is like large, but alukwazi ukulwa negwababa. Because igwababa melilwa nokhozi, luhlala la emhlane, likwazi ukuluma la ngemuva. But ukhozi yazilenza njani? Uyafuna ukwazi? Lenza njena ukhozi. Livesane likhuphuke kakhulu till igwababa can't breathe anymore. Because when you climb too high, your friends will start to fall. When you graduate, and they never graduated, and you graduate, and you never graduated, and some friends to you, they're like a spacecraft booster. When the rocket is being launched, they use a booster. But when it reaches certain height, the booster cannot tolerate it, and it retreats, and they fall. Because the rocket is shooting up. I want you to shoot up. I want you to rise. I want you to reach the level whereby your friends can't tolerate that. Rise up, study hard, academic yourself. When you study, ufunda, awuzulingana nabangani bakho, uzoqala ukhuphuke, they'll start to fall apart. Because labangani bakho kade bebangani ngoba kade uyisilima, are friends of